Hey Justin, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO, and today I had the privilege of speaking with Natasha, who thought you'd be interested in this video I'm about to show you. So we're just going to go over a few tips that you can apply right away to get more traffic and more organic leads. Now it is important to note that 70% of all of your organic leads come from your website. So it is important that your website be fully optimized so you can receive that traffic. So as you can see, we are on your website and you have a well-designed website. You've got content. You've got, looks like you got a ton of content, which is good because Google does not rank your website based on appearance. They base it on content. So content is key when it comes to ranking. You do have some usage of buyer intent keywords, but I really don't see a whole lot of duplication in the keyword usage. Looks like you may have to dial in your keywords into all this content. Google wants a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on your homepage, which you clearly have. And then you want more than your top competitors, and you might still be okay with the amount of content you have. But you just need to make sure that you're focusing on the buyer intent keywords. You need to make sure that you have separate pages for every service, which you do, and that you have separate pages for every service area you service with any keywords, which also looks like you do. But I've noticed, looking at these pages, that it's duplicate content on every single one of the pages, just changing out the location. And so that actually hurts you. You have to have unique content on every single page. Otherwise, Google looks at it like spam and doesn't even count it. Google needs 150 words for every buyer intent keyword that you're trying to rank for. And those are the words that people are actively searching for on Google when it comes to services. They're not usually going to be looking for your brand name or company name, especially in an emergency. During an emergency, they're probably not going to care what your name is. They're going to care who's the first person that can get to their property. So you just need to dial in those buyer intent location based keywords. And you're going to need to change out the content on your service area pages to unique content so that you can be indexed for that and found in those areas. One of your top competitors is Bill Howe, and they have a very nice website. And I recognize they have a lot of services you don't have, but they are number one also for restoration and flood. They have a number of separate pages that are built out for the restoration and flood. They have different service area pages and a ton of content as well. So these guys are going to be more difficult to beat. But the first step is having more content and working on those keyword strategies. So just correcting your content and going after the right keywords is going to be the first step, and outranking them for the services that you both have. The next part, this is a program called Ahrefs that helps us to analyze how your website performs. As you can see, you have a rating of a 9 for your domain. That's your website as a whole. And that's 100% because of your referring domains and backlinks. It's kind of a low score to have this many backlinks, which tells us that the backlinks are of pretty low quality. Not all backlinks are created equal, so you do need to make sure that they are high authority, high ranking relative to your industry backlinks, and that they are do follows as well. It also looks like majority of your backlinks are being pushed to your home page, which is great for your home page, but if you don't have those keywords, you're not going to rank for them. You need to have your backlinks going to your back pages, service pages, and service area pages, so you can be found for those services in all of your service areas. You're currently indexed for 200 keywords and only getting 44 people organically to your website. Quickly looking at your keywords, the only keywords you have on the first page are your brand and San Diego water removal. All of your other keywords are 2 or more pages back. So you definitely need to work on the backlinks to your keywords. If we look at your competitor, they have a high score of a 36, which is pretty awesome. And that's because they have over 13,000 backlinks. Now, you generally need more backlinks than your top competitor, and also need better quality backlinks. But as we talked about, they provide other services, so you just need better backlinks and more backlinks than they have for the pages um, with the services that you guys have in common. They've been indexed for over 11,000 keywords, and they're seeing over 7,200 people on average to their website every month. So although part of that is for their other services, it does still show you the kind of traffic that you're missing out on, especially that you're servicing the entire county. Now, a backlink, and well, just looking real quick. All right, so out of 755, 505 are do follows, so that's good. So you only have about 200 backlinks that are no follows. A backlink is when one website links to your website and then drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. The more relevant this website is that links to your website, the more power and authority it's going to give you. And if they are do follows instead of no follows, they will share the power of those high ranking sites and help you to rank faster. But it is critical that you're using your backlinks with your keywords. Just scrolling through here, you can see that they're all going to your home page and they're using generic terms or your brand. They're not actually going after your keywords. And so that is part of the problem with why you're not ranking for those keywords. And the last part is this Google Maps section or Google My Business page. Your goal should be to be in the top 3 of this section because 30% of people come directly here and won't go any further. So if you're not in the top 3 for each of your service areas and relative keywords, you're sending all those leads to your competitors. So in order to be in the top 3 and maintain those positions, there's several factors, but the most important is citations, which is the name of your business, your address, phone number, and website, and having those listed in a variety of places like Yelp, Yellow Pages, Dex, Instagram, etc. And so you need a lot more of those than your top competitors and better quality than your top competitors. And when you follow each of these tips I've provided you today, your website can be #1 across Google for all of your relative keywords and service area keywords. We hope you found this video to be helpful and that it will help you to get more organic leads. And we'd love to get some feedback from you. If you do need help getting any of this stuff done, though, go ahead and give us a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.